a lot of you don't really get the power of artificial intelligence. Lots of people are still using it basically like Google, which is a percentage, a tiny fraction of what it can do. I want to show you how I just did about a week's worth of work in an hour. The intention here being to spark your imagination and help you come up with uses of AI that can really save you a huge amount of time. I'm running a bunch of Facebook ads at the moment, got about 10 variations. AI helped me to script and structure this campaign and the 90 video variations that are in it, but I won't go into that now. What's most interesting is this one here. This is getting me cheap clicks and good click-through rate, and that gave me information about what kind of hook is working. Specifically, the hook on this video, on this advert, was if you are watching this right now, then you know more than 90% of people about artificial intelligence. That gave me something I can work with. Specifically, it gave me a direction, a hook that I could use on my landing pages. So I created this page using artificial intelligence. That took a few minutes, but, and this is where it gets interesting and where AI is really useful, we can do this at scale. I didn't just produce this one page, I produced variations, multiple variations, which allows me to set up this A/B test. We can see right now, this one's doing best. And I'm going to run these adverts and run these landing pages and collect information about what works. All of this means I'm going to be collecting more and more information about what works and what drives my business. So this is fairly normal stuff. And if you've ever done any online marketing, you'll know this. What is different is the ability for me to generate experiments fast. I made multiple page variations in about 10 minutes, allowing me to get them into circulation, testing to see which one works. And every time I find something that works 1% better, I keep that and then I create more variations. Previously, this would have been something that would take all day to create these variations and get them into testing. And now I can just do it. As soon as I have an experiment I want to run, boom, done. This means that I can continuously optimize my business. I can continuously do all those little 1%, 2% increases again and again and again and again without it taking weeks, without it taking months. I also don't need to hire an agency, which would cost me a couple of $1,000 a month. I can just talk to my AI and say, hey, this is the experiment I want to run. Let's talk about what variations we can do. Now, this is very specifically a digital marketing example. So you need to think about how this applies in your particular industry and in your particular tasks that you do on a daily basis. But the key here is the old world of slow-moving decisions is gone. That is dead. If you have a hypothesis, build it, ship it, see what happens. Don't sit around in committees and meetings planning for the next couple of months. This is the true power of artificial intelligence, the ability to create at high velocity and high volume.